Okay. Safety on. Pull bolt back again. Okay. Good to go. Okay, safety on. Eject. Okay, pull it back again. Good to go. Safety on, eject. Okay.
What a pain in the ass.
Eject. No. Just relax for a second. I don't see that makes any difference in the way this thing is. It's not really, I don't think this is down all the way. I think that's the problem.
That's why it's not cycling?
Yeah, because that, this gas port, okay, that's for single fire. Okay, but it's not locking in here. And it's supposed to. Oh, it is.